All right, let's make sure everything's working. Make some cash today. Make some cash. All right. See, microphones check. Mhm. All right. Let's see if we can kick this off. Mhm. Muscle mommies are the best for sure. Let's see, move this a little closer. All right. Hey guys, what's going on? All right, we're at the end of the week. We had a productive week, right? So we were starting at around 230,000 due to a couple of screw ups, but we came back up to 239,000, $600 close to reaching the 240 mark, right? For those of you that are first time joining the channel, we grew this account from October, August, August. It was from August from $20,000 to 240,000, which is actually fantastic. I'm even surprised. But thanks to pocket options, we had some good chances working with the euro to the dollar, and it grew massively. Now, if you were with us on Wednesday, you understood or you watched that I was trading crude oil all because of the situation that's going on, right? So oil jumped up and we traded pretty good. So I'm going to show the screen in just a moment. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Here you go. Here is the account. You can see that it's the real amount, right? The $50,000 demo account that we don't touch. But I want to check something with crypto. I haven't checked crypto in like a long time. Oh, weekly is doing pretty good. All right. Bitcoin's up by 5.8. Month is garbage. And day is garbage. Okay, but at least for the week it's good. So I like to count the week instead. Anyways, not the daily. Just so we have a better of an average, right? So, all right, so that's it with crypto. Not that I like to trade crypto too much, just simply because it can be a bit of a headache. And I tend to get a little antsy with it. So controlling the emotions are a big deal. If you have questions during the live stream, of course, don't be shy. Ask me, and I will try to answer them. Okay, so those of you that kind of been here before, you know what's up, right? You know the ante. You know the strategy that I like to use, what I call the window of opportunity, based on support, resistance, and the candle patterns and the price action, right? So how the candles move, so forth and so on. So you can kind of look. This is from Wednesday, actually. I didn't touch it, so this is the first time, and they're still actively playing. except for this one. This one we need to crank up just at least halfway because it's in between. It's so close here that we're gonna put it up together. And just dial it in. Yeah, that's pretty good. Bottom of that wick. Kind of can crank it up a little bit to match this one because we want those to be consistent. Here, here the wick, here the wick is touching. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. This one is iffy, I think, but we'll put it right there. Touch, touch. Okay, they all look pretty good. All right, so that's the 1 minute time frame. That's not usually the workflow, but since they're already kind of all right here done, let's get what our trend's doing. Now, on the hour, it's kind of in between the 4 hours. Let's see. Ooh, consolidating. Mm-hmm. See, kind of like right here. And if we put this point here and here, it could break above, and it looks like it will, unless it just cranks down in 2.5 hours. So, still close to call. So let's go down to the 15 minute. Okay, the 10 minute. All right. So our best bet is to try to do it from here. So you can kind of see the consolidation. Here we were in an uptrend, but it's hard to call it. So we're gonna play it safe. Even the volume here is iffy. Let me move this mic just up a little bit and let me lean into it. All right, it looks like we're gonna be going up a little bit. Do a $200 trade. Oh, by the way, these are some of our trades from last trading session. What do we have? Higher highs, which is a good signal. In about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's crank that down to about, I'm gonna do 220 right now. Yeah. And we're gonna see if it will close right here. If it closes above that, the candle starts pumping up. Yeah, it looks like 10 seconds. Yep, 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 yep. What's that wick going to do in the next candle? Gotta wait for it. Go down. Mm-hmm. Now, it's a bad position, but why did I choose to go ahead and enter it? See this candle, there's no wick at the top. That shows me as that candle's closing that it's going to keep pumping up. So that's what that did. Um, yeah. And this is going to be the moment we can tell about our time too. Get an idea of like the candles. Because like right here, it'd be like 1 minute. So if it breaks up above this, we're now going into a definitely uptrend. So kind of like a breakout. Yeah. Open that up so I can pay attention. Okay, we're going to let this trade play out. And we're going to bring some of the bottom ones up here. About right there. And right here. Let's go back. Super. And about 145 because I want to hurry up and get in and get out, honestly. But that trade's doing good. Hmm. No. Okay. And horrible, horrible selection, but okay. Wasn't my idea. Okay. Came out on top. Either way. There we go. Whew, scared me. It scared me. We still have 20 seconds, but it should keep pumping. It was a good call. All right. Oh man, come on. 47 bucks short. There we go. So I don't think it's going to raise too much higher, but just get that out of my way. Fucking annoying. And very good. Lower it just a taste. Kind of about right here. Okay. Man, it's piling in, but okay. And here, why did I crank it back up? Because as it's coming up here, it's probably gonna go down. So I'm trying to give it a few minutes to continue. A few candles, see how it's doing. But it's pretty good because we have two wicks on the bottom rejecting lower prices. It came through, broke above, and you can see as this candle is already like halfway through, we have another wick, so it can still go up, and that's why. Go ahead, put another. Slowing down a taste. Mm-hmm. And get ready. Yep. This is the why we need longer time frames. So we're gonna crank that up to about 240 again. Yep, 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 yep. There we go. Be a good girl. A little bit of healthy retracement, but at our expense. Wait for it. We don't want to enter right here. Come on, 5 seconds. Shoot up for me. Shoot up, shoot up, shoot up. Nope. It's not gonna happen for me. Okay, not a big deal. We'll wait for it and see what it's gonna do on this bottom end. Okay. Hmm. And roll that over. Hmm. Probably gonna make some good money here. Minutes. Let's check. Yep. Okay, let's stop at that for a second. Still, we were in a little bit of consolidation. We came up, we broke. There we go. Same wick as before, is what I'm expecting. Excitement coming in. Mm-hmm. Not good for us, but also not bad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There we go. It's not respecting that line at all. Probably at the bottom. Mm-hmm. And we're gonna lose some, but not a big deal. It definitely topped out. And I should have did this and I ignored it, but when you see this huge jump up, it's kind of a big sign too. Hmm. Wait for this next candle. And I'm gonna put one about 7 minutes from here for $1,000. Mm-hmm. And we lost some. So we broke below that. Strong retracement back down. And it was telling us it was going down. Oh, in the 1 minute. That's the mistake. All right. Mm-hmm. Not our day. Mm-hmm. Very good. I like to see where this is going. No, no, keep pumping. Keep pumping up. Come on, come on. Keep pushing through. Keep pushing through. Perfect. Now this is where we're gonna make our money. No, you don't. No, you don't. Mm. Come on, shoot up, damn it. You want to go up. 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 Okay, a little over 3 grand there. Yeah. Yes. It's gonna be the moneymaker right here. Ooh, thank God. There we go. Keep going. 40 seconds, baby. Come on. 40 seconds. This is gonna be the last trades right here. And this is exciting. Crude oil is exciting to trade on. Definitely intense because I almost screwed up like royally. Like, come on, come on, come on. You stay above that. Don't you bend me over. No, 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 no. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, you bastard. Oh, we broke even. Okay. Woo. Okay. Okay, where do we go? All right, let's check. Why is it? Let's check. Ah, there we go. Whew, we broke above it. Awesome. Cool beans. All right, and there you have it. Check it out. Zoom that in just a little bit. 242,997. So we made it back and came into our goal. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Whew, that was intense. Okay, I'm very happy with that. 3 grand was our Takeaway today, almost exactly like 3 grand. So the goal every trading period is $1,000. We walked away with 3K. So super, 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 super. Whew, that was intense. Okay. Mm, yeah, I'm gonna walk away from that. That was just too good. 3 grand. Goal is 1,000. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So cool beans. All right, so we did what we wanted to do. We wanted to take over 240,000 for the week came. We did that. Now 250 is our next target starting on Monday. All right, let's do that, guys. Well, look, enjoy your weekend. It's International Women's Day on Sunday, so be sure to treat your woman right for that special day. Have a wonderful weekend, regardless if you celebrate the holiday or not. Have fun in the trading game, but be safe. The market has been crazy in the last week or so. So be sure to stay diligent and reasonable. All right, guys. I will see you next time. Catch me on Monday. And until then, guys, well, safe trading.